So dehydrated, don't know what to say. You were sleeping by my side. What did I do last night?
So tired.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed?
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need my help and I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I could. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news, 'cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, 'cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news, 'cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, 'cause I tell myself all the same lie. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better. she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. One, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. You know the type, you know the guy, the one who wants everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase 'cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. In my own mind. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if there was love. If it was love. Even right, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. You know the type, you know the guy, the one who wants everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase 'cause somehow it's safe. Never.
I am so tired. Hey guys, as I wait for the house to dry, I decided like I'll have a little chat with you. How are you doing? I'm doing okay and fine. Look at my mini trees. They're really disappointing me. They're really embarrassing me, you know. But here I am. I've cleaned my house, everything is set, everything is good, and that's the happiness of every woman. When everything is clean in your house, you feel so good, so relaxed. Now the remainder part is just for me to cook, since I am so hungry. So I'm just doing fine. I'm just a homebody today. Okay, today is Sunday. Yeah, and I just decided to clean my house thoroughly, cleaning. Okay. Yeah, and it feels good. Yeah, sorry for the background noise, guys. I live in the ghetto, so you understand, and I don't have any microphone with me here, so bear with me. We are going to use just my voice, okay? Yeah, there are kids playing outside, so you can guess where I live right now, the neighborhood and everything. So right now it's just me with this bucket waiting for my house to dry so I can enter. I don't want to form the marks that you form when you are entering your house. Yeah, and it's still wet, so a little patience. I've switched on the fan so that it can quicken the drying process. Okay, yeah, so then we'll continue with the vlog. Yeah, bye.
When he finds